With me at Dallas Police Headquarters is District Attorney Henry Wade, whose job it will be to prosecute Lee Oswald, the man accused of killing President Kennedy. He also is a longtime and close friend of Texas Governor John Connally, who was wounded, of course, in the bullet attack on Friday. Mr. District Attorney, do you feel that you now have enough evidence to successfully prosecute Oswald?
I think we have sufficient evidence at present to prove that he was the one that killed the president.
What is the most telling of that evidence?
Well, I don't want to go into all of the evidence here because we have to pick a jury that's going to try him, and I am refraining from going into any of the evidence that we have.
Suffice it to say that you now feel you have adequate evidence?
Yes, I feel we have sufficient evidence at present. Of course, we want more. The more we have, the better off we are. But if we had to go on just what we got, we have sufficient.
What legal steps now lie ahead before Oswald can be brought to trial?
Under Texas law, the defendant's charged in the justice court. Then the next proceedings is the grand jury. Everyone's tried in Texas on an indictment, which only a grand jury can return. Defendant's entitled to an examining trial or a hearing, a writ of habeas corpus hearing on whether or not he can justly be held without bail. Texas law allows people the only people that can be denied bail under the Texas law is a person who will likely get the death penalty. And he can have a hearing, either examining trial or a hearing before a district judge on a writ of habeas corpus, see whether remanding him without bail was proper in this case.
And this, of course, is virtually unique in Texas as compared to other states, is it not, the procedures involved?
Well, I'm more familiar with the ones here than in other states. This is a state district court.
What is the earliest you think he could be brought to trial?
Well, it'll be presented to the grand jury either Wednesday of next week or Monday, December the 2nd, one of those 2 days. It'll be set for trial within about 2 weeks thereafter. The defendant is entitled usually to 1 or 2 continuances if he asks for them. I figure that he will likely be tried around the middle of January.
Do you think you can find an unbiased jury in Dallas, Texas?
We hope we can find a jury that'll be fair to the defendant and fair to us.
And will you ask death in the electric chair for Lee Oswald?
Yes, sir.
That was District Attorney Henry Wade, District Attorney of Dallas County. This is Tom Pettit, NBC News, reporting from Dallas Police Headquarters.